Follow us into the world of debating, which improved my confidence and gave me opportunities.
What would it mean for humans to live forever? Well, today immortality isn't just relegated to sci-fi movies and fantasy books, but it has entered research labs and computers.
If Einstein was immortal, maybe we could have something absolutely great today.
My first point is too many people and limited natural resources.
Being immortal would allow us to do so many things around the world we would never do in a single lifetime.
That immortality will be an expensive affair.
Other scientists are still finding out ways to get to other planets.
But till now, Earth is only the planet which gives us life.
If they live forever, they will make many inventions. But there will be a time when they will have nothing to do.
Those 3 millionaires or billionaires are working for climate change and all.
A big round of applause to you. And
Thank you so much, everyone.